But first, she pulled the plug on her fiance's kayak and then watched him drown in the Hudson River. Tonight, 32 months later, Angelika Graswald walks out of prison. Good evening, everyone. At 6 o'clock, I'm Bill Ritter.
And I'm Liz Chown. Angelika Graswald is out of prison tonight after serving just over 2.5 years behind bars.
She's free as part of a plea deal in the drowning death of her fiance, Vincent Villafore.
But his family says they did not get justice. Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis is live in Bedford Hills tonight with our lead story. Marcus.
Well, Liz and Bill, prosecutors admit that it was no slam dunk on a more serious murder or manslaughter charge, and hence that plea deal. That means Angelika Graswald was able to walk out just a few months after pleading guilty. Most of her sentence credited to time served.
She's grateful for this day. She's excited to be able to reconnect with her family.
Angelika Graswald has reason to be grateful. She's free before Christmas and after spending just 2 weeks in a maximum security prison. Graswald has been in custody for nearly 3 years in the Orange County Jail while the criminal case that made headlines nationwide played out. In April 2015, Graswald's fiancé, Vincent Villafore, drowned when his kayak overturned in the Hudson River. Graswald was charged with murder after making incriminating statements to state police investigators. Prosecutors claimed Graswald pulled the drain plug out of the kayak and said she wanted Villafore dead as a way out of the relationship. But defense lawyers plan to show that simply removing the plug would not make the kayak sink, and that Villafore had been drinking and wasn't wearing a life vest despite rough currents. And they plan to challenge the hours-long interrogation by police. In the end, the district attorney offered a plea deal to the lesser charge of criminally negligent homicide. At Graswald's formal sentencing last month, Villafore's family expressed disappointment.
I don't ever want to see her again if I don't have to.
We believe in the American justice system, and we do not believe in the sentencing of it all, but it is over now, and we need to go on.
Today, Graswald let her lawyer do the talking before heading to eat a steak lunch and FaceTiming relatives.
To be sure, reconnecting is going to be difficult, and reconstructing her life is going to be difficult. Her day-to-day, her reality is much different today than it was 32 months ago when she went into jail.
Well, Vincent Villafore's family has said they would like to see Graswald deported. The conviction jeopardizes her immigration status, and she could face possible deportation to her native Latvia.